Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an oxygen concentrator to a patient. First, place your oxygen concentrator on a flat, stable surface, ensuring it is at least 6 inches away from any walls or furniture for proper airflow. Next, check that the air filter is clean and correctly inserted. Then, fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water up to the maximum fill line and securely attach it to the concentrator's oxygen outlet. This ensures comfortable, moisturized oxygen delivery. Now, let's connect the oxygen delivery device. Take your nasal cannula or oxygen mask tubing and firmly attach it to the outlet on the humidifier bottle. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and there are no leaks, which could reduce oxygen delivery efficiency. For a nasal cannula, gently insert the prongs into the patient's nostrils. If using a mask, position it comfortably over the patient's nose and mouth, securing the elastic strap. With everything connected, it's time to set the oxygen flow. Turn on the concentrator and allow it a few minutes to warm up and stabilize. Carefully adjust the flow meter dial to the specific liters per minute, or LPM, prescribed by the healthcare provider. Ensure the small ball inside the flow meter aligns precisely with the correct number. You should hear a gentle hum and feel a steady flow of oxygen, confirming proper operation. Finally, let's cover monitoring and safety. Regularly check on the patient to ensure they are comfortable and the delivery device remains properly fitted. Monitor the humidifier bottle's water level daily, refilling it with distilled water when necessary. Keep the concentrator's air intake clear and clean the air filter at least once a week. Always have a backup oxygen source, like a small oxygen tank, readily available for power outages or emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.